In this video, we're going to go over importing a tax return from the prior year into the current year. Now, once you've logged into your software, you have two different options of importing a return from the previous year into the current year. One way is going through the Tools option, and the other way is going through Clients and then creating a new return and entering the Social Security number. But let's start off with our first option by going down here on the bottom left to click on Tools, and immediately we're taken to the Import 2020 Clients. Now this may update to the respective year as we move forward into the future, but so it'll show your previous year clients here that have not yet been imported into the current year. So we've got our list of clients here. Now the first thing we want to do before we import anything or click on any buttons, we want to note that we have two different options. There is a simple import and a comprehensive import. Now, a simple import will pull over the information from W-2s and 1099s, usually the payer's name, but it won't pull over amounts. It won't pull over dollar figures. Whereas comprehensive import it will pull over everything. It'll pull over essentially a copy of the prior year return. Now, you want to make your selection if you want to do simple or comprehensive, and as you can see the buttons over here, they'll update accordingly. Now if you want to pull multiple, you just check the boxes here for everybody. If you just want to pull one, you can check the box here, make your selection of which one that you would like to import, and click on the import option. So we'll click on that one, and now we have our notification here. Last year data imported successfully, and now they are no longer on this list. So then now if we go to our clients and go to manage return, here is the tax return that we had just imported from the previous year. Now the other option for importing a prior year return into the current year is by coming to this same client screen and clicking on new return. Now once we click on new return, we're going to enter the Social Security number of the client that we had in the previous year. And we're going to click on Save and Continue. And then on the next screen you'll be looking at a prior year return summary. So you'll be looking at all the prior year details. You'll have a few options here, one additional option of a custom import, but you can select simple, which again only pulls the payer information. Comprehensive import pulls everything, all the dollar figures, and then custom is you can pick and choose. So if you have multiple W-2s, multiple 1099s, you can pick and choose which one you want, or you could just start it from scratch with a new return. Now for this one, we're just going to leave it alone as simple import, and then I'm going to click on Continue. And then on the following screen, here I am on their manage return page. It's showing their details, and then I can go in and edit this return and enter all of the current year information and proceed with preparing the tax return as you normally would. And those are the two options for importing a prior year tax return into the current year.